Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a look at some birthday gifts that I got from my cousin Joni. She got me so many things and long videos don't do well on my channel. Plus I need the content because I'm going away for a month and a half, maybe for sure a month, and I need all that content up and scheduled before I leave because I will be away from internet. Anyway, she got me this beautiful set of paint. I don't know if it's watercolor or not. It looks like watercolor. It's in this little cute palette. It has the brush included. It's super cute. Anyway, she got me these brushes to go with it, and so I don't have to just use this one. And you can see they're a variety of sizes and shapes. And I will use these. So I guess we can do a video where we test out these paints together if I get the chance. I might not because I'm pretty queued up. Like I have so much to do before I head out to camp. And by the time you see all these videos, I'll probably be at camp, God willing. Hopefully nothing, will get in the way of that. I'm really looking forward. Our camp, what I call camp, we call it camp up here in the north. What you guys would call a cottage. It's on Lake Superior. And I love it out there so much, but I'm off the grid out there. So I have no access to the internet. I do bring my smartphone. I do have a little bit of data on my smartphone, but just enough to pop online for a few minutes a day. Not enough to like upload videos. Definitely not. Or even watch videos. I mean, I really miss that. But anyway, I think it was super sweet of my cousin to get me these. Thank you, Joni. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm sorry I can't tell you the prices or anything on these, but I'm not quite sure where she got them. So yeah, if I find out, I will put it down below. Okay? Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, and most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.